Bev Gray from Technique Tuesday, and I get to introduce you today to Simon and Sandy the Seahorses. And Simon Sandy the Seahorses stamp set has some matching craft dies. And using those craft dies and stamp sets together, you can make projects like this. So you can see how we combine sentiments that are kind of punny, sassy sentiments, along with several different ways of coloring those seahorses to make really cool cards like this one. I hope you enjoyed seeing these projects, and I hope you enjoy seeing these other projects that our design team has created using the Simon and Sandy the Seahorses stamp sets and dies. Thanks so much for watching.